Hey, how's it going? Today's drawing lesson is going to be simple and for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner and you've never drawn anything in your life, this is the perfect place to be. This is going to be step by step, and it's going to be short. I try to keep these around the 10-minute mark. All of these are fun, so let's get started and jump right into it. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw the house of Squidward from Spongebob Squarepants. His house has a really cool design, and I think I've been seeing a lot of people requesting it, so I'm going to make a video for it. I'm going to be using this Acrylic brand marker. As the intro said, everything's easy, simple for beginners, and it's going to be step by step. So, let's get started. First thing I do is I'm going to, let me think, curve the top portion of the head here. And it is a giant head, really, that's really what it is. I mean, that's a design, essentially. I think it's based off like an Easter Island head. Down. Like the stone head. Pulling down, and I'm going to do that. I mean, it's obviously based on him as well, but you know, generally I see that as almost like an Easter Island head. Straight line across here. This could be for his brow line. I'm going to pull a line down here. And then on this side, I'm going to also pull down here, okay? I'm going to connect those two right now. I'm going to come and find his nose. His nose is literally a triangle. So let's do that. But I mean, it's obviously, again, a caricature of his nose. So it's like flat at the top. Like so. Gonna connect these two. Also, don't forget, definitely hit the subscribe button if you like step-by-step tutorials like this. I post every day. I post 3 drawings every day right now. So you're getting a lot of learning. If you do like this, a lot of stuff. It's a lot of like cool stuff, basically. I put everything in a playlist, so go check out the playlist section. Everything I do here ends up in a playlist, so go check that out. But also the subscribe thing. When you subscribe, it's got to let you know what video I'm posting that day without having to go look at the channel. So it's going to, like, on your feed, you're going to see it. It's going to be like a thumbnail, like, oh, okay, easy pictures to draw is doing that today. Okay, cool, I'll draw it. Or you're like, I don't want to draw that today. So that's pretty much what that does. If my stuff here is worth your time, please consider subscribing. But, you know, and doing that other thing, that notification tab. So I'm going to create a circle here on this side right here for the eye of the house, essentially. All right. Going good. And I'm going to do the other eye over here. And it's really just like a circle. Okay. I'm going to do inner circles on that because these are obviously what they're based off of is like cruise ships and windows on ships. So it is that's the kind of window it is. Really great designs for their houses and stuff on this. SpongeBob's house as well, which I'll do a video on as well eventually. Or the what is it? The Plankton's place. I can't remember the name. I'm not gonna look it up right now though. But is it a Chum Bucket or something like that? Yeah. I mean, that's a great, you know, like there's such personality even in their buildings, and it's awesome. God, it's so cool. So I'm gonna throw a little dot over here on this side, around the outer rim of that, because that's kind of again what it's doing. It's got those boat windows on it, and that's kind of the way those things are designed. Alrighty, going over here. And I'm going to keep drawing. I'm going to follow this, and I'm going to keep following this right here. See that line that's coming straight out? It's going to keep coming straight out. Alrighty. Going over here. And I'm going to do essentially the ear section. So it's going to be a big flat square line out here. I'm going to pull a line a little bit to the left here on this side. It's going to go a little bit lower than the ear, not too much lower than that though. I'm sorry, a little bit lower than the nose, not too much lower than that. And I'm going to continue that square. Line over here, up. And line down. Continue to draw that line down. Gonna draw the ground that it's on. So, or essentially I'm gonna go across here, just straight, more or less like slightly curved line. It gives some personality when you do slightly curved lines on cartoons on the floor. And I'm gonna draw the mouth. Well, before that, I'm gonna draw a little square here. I'm gonna draw an angle downward on this side and a little angle downward on this side. And I'm gonna connect these two. And I might do the exact same thing over here. I'm going to give it a little bit of a lip right there. That makes it look 3D because this thing's made of stone. So Janet gives it a look. Same thing over here. I'm going to draw a little angle off on the ear on both sides there. And I'm going to connect them over here. Straight line. And I'm going to go in over here and then connect that back into the body there. And it gives it, again, that kind of curvature. Same thing over here a little bit on the eyebrow. Have them angle off like that, and then just connect them over there. I mean, as well as they can connect. Alright, let's go to the door. The door is like a gravestone shape. Like so. Like I said, don't forget to share the video. If you like this video, share it around. You know, share it on forums, on Facebook groups. You know, maybe SpongeBob, anything. When you share it, it just kind of does, you know, brings in a cool amount of people and just cool people in general. Circle right here for the door handle, and I'm gonna draw straight lines down like this on just the door to make it look like a wood plank door. And that's it, honestly. If you want, you can put the far side ear so you can measure it out over here, go across like the ear on this side and just kind of measure it out as best you can. Popping out, and it's not going to pop out all the way because it's behind something. It's behind the actual building. But right there, if you want to give it more depth, you can do that. It's not even, that ear's not even that required, to be honest, because it should be on the far end. But there you go. That's Squidward's house. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you think. Let me know who your favorite SpongeBob character is too. Like I said, mine is Squidward. Actually, I don't know if I said that. Actually, Squidward is my favorite character. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. This channel's been going for a while. It's awesome. And yeah, I'm just trying to like keep up really because I'm posting so much, but I am enjoying every minute of it. But because I'm posting so much, you know, give me a shout out. Like I said, share a few videos, share a video anywhere on Twitter, on Facebook, on Tumblr, anywhere you share it. It just helps out immensely. Thank you so much. I will see you next time.